Grade 12 phase 2, 24th of June, third half hour. Start.
Okay. Please bring your textbooks for the next little while. We'll need your textbooks. Okay. So of these types of point mutations, the least likely to be damaging are substitutions and inversions, because substitutions, it was only that codon, and in inversion, it was only that codon. So it would be one amino acid there, one amino acid there, possibly. Although because the code is blah blah, it might still get the same amino acid. Okay. Because these can alter only one of the amino acids in the protein or polypeptide, and in some cases the new amino acid occurs in a non-vital part of the chain, or has similar properties to the correct one, depending on the change. Remember that the code is.
Is that the magic word?
Is that the...
What? I thought it was like a scientific word.
I knew there was a Google.
Yeah.
Okay.
It was just like a word.
So, for example, these two codons, UCU and UCC, both code for the amino acid serine. Okay, right, happy. Deletions and additions are potentially more dangerous because they cause a frame shift that causes all the codons after the point of insertion or deletion to change, and this results in a protein that is totally different from that point onwards. It's unlikely to function as it should do. So at this stage we spoke about sickle cell anemia, although you claimed no knowledge of it this term. Okay. Alright, so make sure that you go back and you learn that work on mutations. So what causes a mutation? Certain environmental factors known as mutagens increase the natural rate of mutation. And there are lots of different mutagens. So in terms of X-rays and things like that, ultraviolet rays are mutagens, X-rays, alpha-beta radiation, and then certain chemicals such as mustard gas, which you know was used in World War I. Formaldehyde. This is formalin. This is the thing that used to be used for preserving organisms. So when medical students got their cadavers to dissect, the cadavers were kept in big tanks of formalin. And every day that cadaver was hauled out and put on a table, and the medical students used to, and that is a huge mutagen. Okay, this is the one found in cigarette smoke. Now be careful, do not say, if they ask you in a test or exam, give an example of a mutagen. Don't say cigarette smoke, because cigarette smoke has lots of components. And not all of them are mutagens. So tar, for example, is not a mutagen, but it does cause physical problems in the lungs. But this benzoapyrene found in cigarette smoke is the mutagen in cigarette smoke. Okay, one of the mutagens. Okay, right, so there we go. All right. So now what I want you to do is I want you to do on page 9, question 3 and question 4, and you are to finish it for homework. Page 9, question 3, question 4. All right. How did we lose Tamlin? Here. Why are you not at school? Sleeping on the other side. Yeah. I'm finding an elephant.
Can you show me the elephant shoe?
I'm trying to find it. There's like 15 minutes where they're saying it's in this bush, it's in this bush.
Yeah, why don't you just...
No, because that's no fun. It's not moving. There.
It's like a little mouse kind of thing.
Oh, okay.
Just
Okay, we'll Google and we'll show you an elephant. It's dead boring. It's dead. Alright, do those problems for homework while I Google an elephant. Right. Haven't you already been today?
No, I went there. But I went to go to
To the best of my knowledge, we had 3 different codes for the rock, and I can't even remember what the other one is now. But I think we get 3 different species. I'll have to check the third one. It's a storm.
They look ugly.
Okay, we don't get these ones here, but we get these little ones. And you know that there's no, it's not a rodent. You know that there's an elephant shrew that pollinates pagoda lilies.
They actually split them off the shrews because whereas the shrews
It's a little carrot.
the timing of the shrew kind of thing. They are proper.
Why?
Okay, so that's what
It's so disgusting.
It's a mouse.
Just so you know,
It's so tiny. I killed a spider last night. I killed it the other day. You're lying. What's that? It's cool.
Did I not say you're not drinking in my class?
If you go onto YouTube, you can see
So next thing she's going to want to read.
Matthew knows how to use it.
Also means taking off a mask.
He just knows how to use one.
Okay, right. Are you doing your problems? No, you're not. No, you're not.
Why are you ratting me out?
Because I can see you not writing.
Put it over your nose. I did 3A at least.
Now, just removed her. Tell her she was ugly about my elephant shrew. I've removed her. She's not in the class anymore.
That's funny.
Just asking why you removed her.
She was ugly about my elephant shrew.
Oh, sorry.
What else did you say? I want to go
So do I. But you know what? You need to have grit in life. You need to learn to just live with all the pain and agony. One day you're going to get married and have children.
I can't wait to have children.
I can.
I hear you.
I feel like they can be like fun sometimes.
They can be what?
Like imagine having like a mini you running around. Like,
No, they're disgusting.
They're just little people you can't drink with.
I'm listening.
Now, is there some type of potion or something where you can like pause a child's growth? Like they must stay like 6 months until.
No, I don't think so.
I seriously hope they never invent that. That sounds
I
terrifying.
think like it would be nice to have
Imagine being
a
6 months old. 6
But
weeks.
wait,
Tell her it's not a rodent, it's not a rat.
You just have to feed it all the time.
Because of pizza.
And you buy baby food.
That's a
It
little
doesn't- it doesn't talk.
wait.
I feel like when the
Okay.
and
And then guys, once you finish doing that, I want you to work on that big, the Joshua Michelle Tubbsy Amu. No, don't raise your hand at me now. Come to school if you want stuff. You kids drive me insane.
But what if it's if we're actually sick and we have to stay at home?
Rubbish. You kids are not sick every. You wake up and you've got a twinge in your toe and you go, I'm sick. Bonga, make it go, please. Okay, Sash, that's it.
Thank you, Donna.
Pleasure, bye.
End of third half hour, grade 12 phase 2, 24th of June.